And I'm gonna start off with setting the time and date on this watch. Let's get started with the home city settings and the daylight saving time. Whilst in the standard timekeeping mode, hold down on and press and hold down the adjust button until the watch beeps. And there it is. So currently my city code is flashing Tokyo. How to shuffle between the city code: pressing the compass button and pressing the light button, so you can rotate the your home city value. And while you rotate the whole city acronym over here, the time will automatically shuffle. So I want to find Paris because that is my time zone, and there it is. That's my time zone. So next press of the mode button gets us to the daylight saving time, and I press the mode button once and it says it's off. So currently the daylight saving time is off in my country. So you can shuffle between on and off using the compass button. Moving on to the next function is done by pressing the mode button, and that is 12 or 24-hour time format. By pressing the compass button, I want to get it back to the 24-hour format because that's easier for me to read the time. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but you can reset the value of settings by pressing the compass button. Next press gets us to setting the hour value on this watch. Let's wait for the camera. There it is. So in my current time zone, this is wrong, so I'm gonna set it to 14 o'clock by pressing these two buttons. So pressing the compass and the light button, I can increase or decrease the value. And once I'm done with the settings, press the mode button and it will shift to setting the minutes value. So what is the time currently? It's 14:46. So let's press the compass button to increase or the light button to decrease the value. So it's 14:46. I'm gonna leave it at 47. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the year. So currently, I don't know what's the focus thing on this camera. Let me try and get it. So currently it's set to 2005, but today the year is 2020, and I'm gonna move it to 2020 by pressing the compass button to increase the value. And there it is. So it's 2020. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the month. So currently it's the February, so it's the 2nd. Pressing the compass button, I will shuffle to number 2 for the February. Next press of the mode button shifts us to setting the day, and currently is 28th. So pressing the compass or the light button will increase or decrease. Let me get to 28. There it is. So it's currently 28. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the temperature unit value. You have the temp flashing over here, and on the lower subdial, I don't know if camera can pick it up. Yes, there it is. You have the Celsius flashing. Now pressing the mode button will shift to the Fahrenheit. Let me get the focus. There it is. And pressing it again moves us to the Celsius value. There it is. I'm shuffling between Celsius and Fahrenheit. I'm gonna leave it at the Celsius as a preset because Celsius is my temperature measurement units. And once you are done with the setting, Press the mode button once again. We have rotated the settings to the beginning, and once you are done with all the settings and the settings is the way you want, just press the adjust button once and you are back to the standard timekeeping, and all the settings have been implemented in this watch. Thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch content. Thanks.